The lady said, oh, I'm gonna be here for 20 days. Maybe she said maybe by the end of it, I'll be just as dark as you. I was like, I can teach you the why you looking at me like that, you looking at me like that, you looking at me like that, you looking at me, why you looking at me. Hey y'all, it's been a while. I look insane. I'm pretty sure someone's watching me right now. I don't even know why I'm doing all this. I'm going to the literal beach. I am doing a twist out right now. We were supposed to go to the park to play tennis. So I was like, okay, I thought I could look a mess playing tennis for a little bit, but playing tennis, looking a mess versus going to the beach is two different things. So unfortunately, I'm not running on my own time, you know, whatever. So now I'm just in the car, like flat twisting right here. It's me using Canon. It's like I haven't vlogged in forever. I wanted to vlog, so I'm vlogging. I look cute and I wanted to vlog. Girl, if somebody can change their wig in their car, I can finesse my twist out.
I look like crazy. One thing they not gonna do, catch me slipping.
Huh? Serena, that bitch Williams speaking. Hello, I'd like to make an order for pickup. No, that'll be all. Okay, thank you so much. Hi, nephew. Where's mommy? Give mommy the phone. Okay, whatever. Let's see. How we looking?
Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up.
I'm gonna do what I can with this hair situation, and I will catch up with y'all shortly. Gang's all here. I'm with my sister. I swear, man. My nephew. Say hi, Derek.
No!
Karma.
Oh my.
Okay.
We're the waves of those.
Alone in my place, my heart is away. All that I can think of is we should get married. We should get married.
Come on, both of you.
My foot is out.
Stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things.
We just went to the bathroom, like quick little spruced up thing. I just ate a little, took a couple bites of Chinese food. Child, it's sitting right here. Hold on, you guys, I'm getting a phone call. So I wanted to vlog while we walked, but my sister wants me to hold beach accessories. What if I want to bust it in the shovel?
Way too deep and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you.
I did. Look, you guys, it's my baby. I gave birth to him 4 years ago. So we finally made it on the beach. I got a big boy chair, looking like a big boy. Okay. Who is that? Prince Eric, is that you?
Come on, let's go get in the water.
Alright guys, I'll see you later.
Oh, I love her accent.
You're gonna get sun in your eyes.
Who? As long as it's not my eyes. I'm just playing, that's not funny. I'm screaming. I wish I had a... I use Instagram story. I use Snapchat sometimes too.
Yeah, can you take one of these? I'll take one of these.
I'm not ready, that's not my angle.
I don't know about y'all, but I'm getting in the water.
Hold on, let me take my bra off. Guys, I had to do a makeshift tripod thing. My sister doesn't want me to be great, but I wanted to talk to you guys. This whole thing can't be a voiceover, you know what I mean? As you can see, my wig is ruined. It's giving beach
We're
wig.
having a serious conversation over there.
Not all! Are you out of your mind? Now let me tell you something.
What the hell is this on me? What the hell?
I asked her if she'd be my surrogate.
I mean, her husband probably gonna stop like Will
You
Smith.
could be my surrogate too. You said like Will Smith. I'm screaming.
I wish I had something to drink right now, honestly.
It might be hot.
I don't want that shit
Suit yourself. Sun kiss. Oh, you're right. It was hot, and it tastes so good, but it's hot.
Yeah, I thought you had it like in the zipper. I think you should put it like on the zipper.
Stop. In the name of love, before you break. You know what? That's actually not a bad idea.
Hey you guys, it's me editing Felipé here. I don't know if you guys saw that or caught it. You may have to rewind to like 4:45 or so. My sister was just asking me if I saw the school of fish that swam by. I actually didn't see it in person because I was so worried about getting sand on my feet. I don't know, it's like a little beach pet peeve of mine. But there was this lovely couple with a beautiful little boy that my nephew was playing with, and I guess the mother, the wife, was really like excited to like see, like point out the fish. Little things like this just bring me so much joy, like you have no idea. And I'm so happy I was vlogging it because I got to see it in the footage. She was telling us how a little bit further down they saw a shark and it was super close, and I was just like, wow, I've never seen that before. Like, I've been in Florida like most of my life, so it's like crazy to hear that. But it was just really nice little, you know, interaction. It's just like the little small things make me so happy, child. And as you can probably tell, my nephew is very much like his uncle. He did not want to get back in that water after seeing those big fish in there. Fun fact, when I was younger, I used to have an irrational fear of like stepping on a seahorse or a starfish, like washed up on the beach. Just something about that texture on my foot. It was enough for me not to go to the beach for a few years. I want to say I was in middle school and like I was a little too grown to have that fear. We was learning about this aquarium, so like yeah, I just didn't. It wasn't giving go to the beach. It just wasn't giving that. Anyway, yeah, back to the vlog.
The donkey man's whales.
The whales? Yeah. You saw whales?
Yep, hurry.
Pop the chest out, stomach in.
Why am I posing? I'm not even the one taking the picture.
What's over here?
Don't fall now. I think I need to get Benadryl because it said that lasts like 1 to 2 hours.
The bee sting pain?
Yeah, I gotta take it.
I mean, look, we're already 30 minutes in, you'll be fine. I think the worst of it is past, no?
I think so.
Yo, look at my nephew after she just cleaned the sand off of him. I want to see how deep this hole is. Pause. Oh, what the? Go wash off in the water. We're about to go home.
Here we go. Oh my god, I got something in my toe. Shake my booty.
So, we're still here, and I'm about to take a selfie. Ooh, I look like Ariel. Halle Bailey version.
You know who you really look like? You look like Luther Vandross.
This lady just watching me pose for my camera. Bro, this my melanin on. I get to immortalize these moments by vlogging everything. I love that.
Me love me too.
Chrissy, come take a selfie with me. The lady said, I'm gonna be here for 20 days. Maybe she said maybe by the end of it, I'll be just as dark as you. I was like, The sad thing is she meant no harm, but that is so wrong. Like, what? Yo, my skin is.
Wait, you have the key?
It's in there.
Alright, you gotta.
Oh, my camera dying.
I thought you
I'll see y'all later. You okay back there, nephew?